Eat that frog. Declutter your life. Have you ever stood in front of a messy room and thought, where do I even begin? Or stared at a cluttered drawer and said, ugh, not today. I'll deal with it later. Yeah, me too. But what if the secret to finally simplifying your space isn't organizing bins or label makers, it's a frog? Yep, a frog. This peculiar approach invites us to confront our most dreaded tasks head-on, transforming procrastination into action. What does eat that frog really mean? There's a book by Brian Tracy called Eat That Frog. And the main idea is simple. If the first thing you do each morning is eat a live frog, you can go through the rest of the day knowing the worst is behind you. Your frog is the thing you're most likely to procrastinate on, but that will make the biggest impact if you just do it. For most of us, decluttering is a frog. It's uncomfortable. It's overwhelming. And it often forces us to make decisions we'd rather avoid. But here's the truth. The longer we put it off, the bigger it gets in our minds. That drawer turns into a mountain. That room feels impossible. But if we just eat the frog, if we start with the hardest, most impactful thing first, it changes everything. Minimalism starts with action, not aesthetic. Minimalism isn't about creating an Instagram-worthy space. It's about creating space for clarity, peace, and purpose. And that starts with doing the hard thing first. Think about your biggest clutter frog. Maybe it's the garage, or that closet filled with clothes from 10 years ago. Start there, because once you tackle that one thing, it gives you momentum. You feel lighter. You feel proud. And suddenly, the next task feels possible. How Atomic Habits supports this idea. Brian Tracy's Eat That Frog gives you the strategy. James Clear's Atomic Habits gives you the science. Clear says, every action you take is a vote for the type of person you want to become. So when you declutter, when you eat that frog, you're not just cleaning up. You're casting a vote for the person you want to be. Someone who takes action, values peace over chaos, and lives intentionally. And the more you do it, the more natural it becomes. Why we avoid our frogs and how to overcome it. Let's be real, we all know what our frog is. Problem is, we let it sit there. We tell ourselves, I don't have time. I'll do it when I'm in the mood. But what if the not doing it is what's actually draining you? That clutter you're ignoring creates low-level stress. So how do we overcome it? Here are a few minimalist-inspired frog-eating tips. Practical tips for decluttering using Eat That Frog. Identify your biggest decluttering frog. What space in your home causes the most stress or avoidance? Start there. Even if it's just 15 minutes. Do it first thing. Before excuses, wake up, tackle it before your brain has time to talk you out of it. Morning is often best, before the day gets busy or your willpower fades. Break the frog into tadpoles. Don't declutter the whole garage. Just one shelf. Not the whole closet. Just the shoes. Small wins build momentum. Pair it with a reward. After you eat your frog, treat yourself to something small, a coffee, a walk, some music. Mindset shift. Decluttering isn't a chore, it's a vote. Every time you declutter, you are voting for a simpler life. You're telling yourself, I value peace more than piles. I choose clarity over chaos. That one frog, that hard task, matters more than you think. Final thoughts. What's your frog? Here's what we want to leave you with today. Minimalism isn't achieved through massive overnight overhauls. It's created through small, intentional acts of courage. And often, the bravest thing you can do is just get started. So tomorrow morning, or maybe even right now, ask yourself, what's my frog today? What's one hard thing I've been putting off that I'll feel amazing once it's done? Then go do it. Floss your teeth. Eat the frog. Declutter the drawer. and enjoy the ripple effect that follows as it transforms your daily life into one filled with purpose and satisfaction.
To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All Things Simple.